Today, I'm going to show you what you will need to prepare a cup of matcha. Making matcha is a simple process that will provide you with an extremely healthy coffee alternative to start your day. First, you will need to buy the correct kind of matcha. You will want to get ceremonial grade matcha as opposed to culinary grade, because culinary grade is used mainly for cooking and will be much more bitter than ceremonial grade. You will also need a bamboo whisk, a scale, and a strainer. Now you can weigh out your matcha powder. For a normal size cup of tea, I like to use about 0.6 of a gram to a gram of matcha, but many people like it stronger and will use 1.5 grams to 2 grams of powder. Now you just push that powder through the strainer and let it fall into the bowl. Now we're ready to prepare our water. Fill up your tea kettle with a normal cup-sized amount of water and place it on the eye. You might have to play around with the amount of water to powder ratio to fit your taste. I like to take the kettle off the eye once I see any sort of sign of boiling to, number one, make it cooler and just ready to drink right after you've made it, but also it helps keep intact a lot of the antioxidant effects that the matcha will have. Pour the water from your kettle into the bowl with your strained matcha powder. Now your bamboo whisk will be put to use. Mix the matcha powder and the water together by moving the whisk in a zigzag or W pattern instead of circular motions to fully incorporate the powder into the water. Do this for about 30 seconds. Now you can pour this mixture into your cup of choice and you'll have a finished cup of matcha. It can be enjoyed just how it is or can be made into a variety of lattes and smoothies. Enjoy.